nowadays there is another trend that is happening, that is agentic AI, right? Now people can definitely say, people can definitely oppose or debate you saying, no, why do I need to know SQL? I can create an agent and that can that can access the database for me. So what are your thoughts on agentic AI in that case?
Agentic AI certainly is a very useful thing. It is going to become more prevalent as we go through the current year and then into the next year as well.
Right.
But to be able to work with agentic AI also, right? Problem solving is something that is going to remain.
Correct.
If you can't think through how you do a certain set of actions today, or a certain business takes care of their business processes today, if you can't map that out, if you can't create that in your mind or in a physical space, you will not be able to build out agentic flows that replicate that to a reasonable extent.
Right.
Problem solving will still remain, and on SQL also, as I said, as tools evolve, your ways to access data will change. But you should be able to, as a professional in the data and AI field, if you're looking at it, you should have a way in which you can get to the data yourself rather than relying on somebody else to give you that data. It could be SQL today, it could be something else entirely tomorrow, very well an agentic AI framework, but you have to have a way of getting to the data yourself.
Correct. Now, so there is another thing that is going on related to agentic AI and accessing, that is, nowadays companies, what we are facing ourselves as a startup trying to go, we are training people. So nowadays what companies are, when they approach us, their first demand is, we don't need people to do proper coding. Just teach our functional teams or train our functional teams on vibe coding, so that at least they will be able to become independent rather than depending on their developer and coders. So what do you think this vibe coding do you think this vibe coding has a future, or is just makeshift arrangement for now?
No, whiteboarding I think will remain, because a key part of problem solving is how do you kind of get together with different stakeholders and think through the problem as one. That's one part of it. The other part, as we were talking about earlier on agentic AI as well, right? A key part of agentic AI is how do you first map out the process. In traditional ways, if you look at it, whenever we did any sort of, let's say, a Six Sigma project back in the day, you always map the process from the supplier to the consumer, or vice versa. Till you can lay out the process in that manner, in a very structured way, you can never build an agentic process that replicates that.
Okay.
Because once you lay out the process, you understand, one, of course, where inefficiencies lie. Second, then you figure out what kind of agents you need to create to even do that kind of a work. Do those exist, or they need to be created grounds up? And then you get to a process that is led by agentic AI.
Right.
Whiteboarding in different shapes and forms will continue to exist. It is the way, and I'm glad it is, that's the way humans think. So yes, I think it is absolutely going to be there.